Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2023 Ford e-Transit custom van. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. It's part of the main line and looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Ford e-Transit. As you can see, it says e-Transit Matchbox Edition. I like the paint on this one. It looks really nice in this solid gray, black and yellow kind of theme. Wheels, again, we have seen these wheels, but they are mostly finished in chrome. Here they have done black on the center, which I think looks good. Also, since we're on the driver's side, we can talk about the sliding door here. No windows because it's a commercial van. And you also got this black trim going all the way from front to back or back to front, either way. And I'm assuming this might be the charging door here, charging port door. Looks nice from the side. You can also see a tail lamp detailed here and a slight black on the headlamp, which doesn't look like actually a headlamp. Now let's move to the front. So off front, it does miss out on most of the details, actually all of the details. I don't know what this black piece on the headlamp is trying to show, but the front isn't detailed at all. You do get both the mirrors, windshield wipers, marker lamps on the top, which are not painted, but you do get a lot of detail. Not painted though, you do get a lot of details. It's an electric van, so no engine, that's why you don't see any texture on the grill anyways. You also got this lower black bumper. Looks alright. Now coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical as the driver's side. I don't know if you can see the steering. I don't think you can, but the steering is on the other side. So if you look, let me try to show this way. There you go. So seats are there, 2 seats, and they look like decently detailed. Not the greatest one, but yeah, not bad. Now coming to the back, again you can see it's got a split door which can be opened like typical vans. Again, no major details. Weirdly, the tail lamp is only detailed on the side, not on the back, both the sides. You've got the lower bumper that's finished in black, and you can see some hinges here. I don't know if the hinges are those are for lamp or spoiler. I'm not sure this part. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, well, I'm slightly disappointed with the details on the headlamp and tail lamp, but apart from that, the paint job is really good. The wheel combo looks really good. I just wish they at least did the headlamps. That would have made it look so much better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.